Taylor Jackson.
Shooting 67 weddings last year.
Taylor Jackson, welcome.
So Taylor, you are well known in this community. You're an amazing photographer.
Wow. At first you were like, this guy doesn't have any credibility. But after that intro, like 4 people have said his name on a podcast one time. So he's got to be good, right? Welcome to the wedding day. I am your host, Taylor Jackson. If you haven't been to the channel before, we do this often. So maybe subscribe, maybe like this video if you want to see more of these behind the scenes wedding days. Today I am using the Nikon Z6II with the 24-70 f2.8 for the Z series, and it is my favorite lens for the Z series for sure. I'm also photographing this wedding with my wife Lindsay. Lindsay is the main shooter. I would suspect that she's going to be on a 50 or a 70 to 200 most of the day, so I think by being on that 24-70 I kind of fill in some gaps that she's not shooting, so I think it's important as a second photographer to do that. And also at the end of the month, the members website, the year 1 rate expires, so if you want to get in on that rate, get it before the end of the month, July 31st. 2021. Otherwise it's gone forever. If you get it, you keep it forever, keep it as long as you want, but if you don't get it, it's not publicly available starting August 1st. If you're not familiar with what the member site is, it is all of my premium content, so my presets, my LUTs, the LUT that you're seeing on this video right now. This is a GoPro, but the LUT is from my LUT pack, and you're able to get that. Preset pack for Lightroom, as well as all of my courses. There are micro wedding courses, elopement courses, how to book more weddings 2021, and so many other things up on there. I guarantee that it is definitely worth your time to sign up, so do that now. And if you're not 100% happy, send me an email. I'm Taylor at taylorjacksonphoto.com, and I will send you your money back. But I guarantee that you're going to be incredibly happy with what you find over there, especially if you want to take your wedding photography career from maybe 1, 2, 3, 5 weddings a year up to something like 30, 40, or what we typically do is closer to 60 on a normal year. So that is all. Let's head to the guys for getting ready photos. Guys getting ready complete. Very incredible light in that room. Really the kind of dream hotel room. Now we're on to the girls and hoping for the same quality of light.
I've been waiting for the moment to arrive. Come stand with me down under the stars at night. Come look with me from where I stand. You can see most everything. And I've been waiting for the moment to arrive. I was waiting for the moment to arrive. I was waiting for the moment to arrive. I wouldn't miss it for the world.
Getting ready photos complete. We're now en route to the first look. I would say that 50% of my couples usually do a first look. Maybe another metric that's changed a lot over the past years is engagement sessions. 15 years ago when I started, every single one of my couples would do an engagement session. Now I would say probably maybe 40%, so less than half, maybe even less than that, maybe 30 to 40% of my couples actually do an engagement session now, which is kind of crazy. That's unrelated to this video, but just something that I've observed that I thought would be important to relay to you while in this car, sitting in traffic.
When you walked into the room, I couldn't keep my eyes off of you. Was it make-believe, or was it a dream? I've been waiting all my life. Feels like I've struck a gold mine. With your hand in mine, our love came alive. We've still got the rest of our lives. The rest of our lives. The rest of our lives.
All right, first look complete. On to the ceremony. There's a lot of photographers and video people here today. It doesn't feel as excessive as Survivor Island of Photographers.
This week on Survivor Island of Photographers, 3 photographers photograph a 30-guest wedding. Who will be voted off the island? Will it be Marshall, who wears a shirt in the swimming pool? Tim, who seduces a young mariachi named Andreas? Or Taylor, who just won't stop photographing clouds? Then, 10 minutes before the ceremony, rain. Find out how it ends on this week's episode of Survivor Island of Photographers.
I guess there was one less of us at Survivor Island of Photographers, but it felt like more because we were all kind of doing the same job. At least today we have different jobs, which is nice.
Let's get hectic, let's get crazy. I'm just chillin', it don't faze me. Got that energy. I said I'm just being me. I've been at this a long time, working shifts all night, hungry for the come up, you know. I've been hustling and grinding, know what you can find in the silver lining when you work hard. We got that blue collar work ethic. We got that blue collar work ethic. Let's get hectic, let's get crazy. I'm just chillin', it don't faze me. Got that energy. I said I'm just being me.
One of the things that I enjoy about not being the main photographer is that Lindsay does the family formal section. As an introverted person, I find it to be the most draining part of the day, and it's nice to not have to do it today.
Such a long time, all my worries got me paralyzed. Stepping out into the daylight, you know I'm ready for a good time. Ooh, can you feel the energy? Ooh, something's going over me. You know I'm ready.
And that is all for the wedding day. Thanks so much for joining me. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, if not yet subscribed, and the year 1 member rate disappears. the end of July 31st. You can't get the year one rate any longer. So get that if you want that. 100% money back guarantee. If you get it, you don't love it, send me an email, taylor@taylorjacksonphoto.com. Happy to send your money back, but I guarantee that you will love it. I think that's how a guarantee works. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'll see you again next time.